Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Saurabh Soni. I am from MCA department. So today I am going to present a seminar on variables and its type in Java. So let us start. So this is my presentation overview. In this presentation we will explore about what is a variable, what is variable in Java, syntax for declaring variable, and types of variable in Java. There are three types: local variable, instant variable, and a static variable. After that, difference between the data types. Then we'll see real-time example. After that, data types in Java, best best practices and conclusion. So let us start from my next slide. In this slide, we will learn about introduction to Java, introduction to variable in Java. First, let me give a quick review about Java in variable in Java. Before understanding the types of variable, we first need to understand why variables are required in Java. So here you see that variables are one of the most fundamental concept in Java programming. Whenever we write a Java program, we need to store different type of information such as number, names, or marks, or anything, or any variable we can take. To store this information, we will use variable in Java. So let us continue from my next slide. This next slide is about what is Java, what is variable in Java. So here you see that a variable is named memory location used to store data that can be changed during the execution of the program or execution time. Here we see that one example: int age equal to 22. Here int is integer, age is a variable name, and 22 is a value. If there is int, we can take only digit only, number. Here you see that we can change its value later, like age equal to 23, or you can take any value like 24, 25, 26, or any value. Let us continue from my next slide. This next slide is about syntax for declaring a variable. Here you see that data types, variable name, value. This is the syntax of the declaring a variable in Java. For example, let us take one example: int marks equal to 85. Sorry. Here we see that int means integer, marks is a variable name, and 85 is a value. Here you see that string name Saurabh. String means string value you have to take. String value you have to take. Okay. Or text value. Double is mainly used for decimal value. Let us continue from next. In this slide, we learn about types of variable in Java based on where they are declared and how they are used. Variable in Java are mainly divided into three types. First, local variable, second, instant variable, and the last one is static variable. Let us go through one by one. We'll see next slide. In this slide, we will learn about local variable. So what is local variable? Local variable is declared inside a method or constructor or code or block. It can be accessed within a method or block where it is declared. Let us see one example based on local variable. Here we given class name is demo. Why so? Here we see that int age equal to 22 and system dot order print ln age. Here we print age. Age is 22. Here age is local variable because it is declared inside a show method. As we define that local variable is declared inside a method. Important points about local variable: declare inside a method, constructor or block, accessible only within that codes or variable codes or method, must be initialized before use. Let us continue from next slide. In this slide we will learn about instant variable. An instant variable is declared inside a class but outside any method, constructor or block. Each object of the class gets its own separate copy of the instant variable. Let us see one example. Here we see that here we take class name is student. String we take only, we will have some text value. Like here we see that string name, int marks, integer marks, public static void main, student s1 dot. Here we this is an example of instant variable. Here name and marks are instant variable. If we create multiple object, each object can have different value, like student s1 new student method, student 2 new student method, s1 dot name Saurabh, s2 dot name Rahul. So every object has its own copy of instant variable. Let us continue from next slide. In this slide we will learn about third and last variable type in Java. A static variable is declared using the static keywords. Unlike an instant variable, a static variable belongs to the class inside itself, not to individual object. Therefore, only one copy of a static variable is shared among all the objects the class. Let us see one example of this static variable. Class, here we take class name as student. String variable you have to take, here we give that two object we have to create. Here we print main function. Here we print two college name. Here college is a static variable. College is an static variable. Here is the college is static variable shared by all student object. Important point of a static variable: declare using the static keyword before belongs to the class rather than individual object. Let us continue from next slide. Difference between local, instant and static variables. Features: local variables declare instance in method. Scope of a local variable only within method. Memory create during method execution. Default value of local variable no default value. Shared no. For example of local variable int age equal to 22. Let us see instant variable: declare inside class outside method. Scope through object. Memory created with the object. Default value get default value. Shared no. For example of instant variable string name equal to Saurabh. static variable. Declare inside class using static keyword. Scope and enter class entire class. Memory created once of the class. Default value gets default value. Shared, yes. For example, string static static string C equal to college name. College name is static variable. Let us continue from next slide. Here we see that uh, simple program showing all three types. In this program, marks is a value. Marks is a local value because it has inside the inside display method. Name is an instant variable because each student object can have its own name. College is a static variable because college is a static variable because it's shared among all the objects of the object. Let us continue from next slide. So this is the code and this is an output. Variable and data types. First type primitive data type, second non-primitive data type. In primitive data type, byte, short, int, long, float, double, character and boolean. In non-primitive data type, string, array, class, interface and object. There is some example of data types. Let us continue to next slide. The real-time example, student management system. Suppose we are developing a student management system. Here we take class name as student, string name, uh, static value or local variable. So this is my come to my conclusion. To conclude, variables are used to store data in Java program based on their declaration and scope. Java variable are mainly classified into three types. First, local variable, instant variable and static variable. Understanding variable is very important because they form a function of Java programming and are used to almost every Java program application. Let us continue from next slide. Thank you. Thank you everyone to listen to my presentation. Hope you all understand the concept of variable and their data types in Java. Thank you.